Hi, welcome to week 5. We will be wrapping up Unit 1. With Unit 1, you will have an exam. And how do we prepare for an exam? Well, one thing to remember is that for the exam, go through all your PowerPoints, read through Chapter 4, and reread or re-listen to the lectures. That will help too. So with this exam is over Chapter 4. And when you go into course content, I do have a review sheet. Okay, so also for this week 5, we're going to have a discussion board. And the discussion board itself is going to be over internet links that I have listed. So make sure you check those out. You're going to do some research on the links from your textbook. And you will have to answer to students. So if you have any questions on this, please send me an email. And also you're going to start Chapter 5. And what I want you to do, I want you to read through Chapter 5 and get prepared for next week. And if you have any questions, please let me know. We will be wrapping it up. We're going to start Unit 9.2 next week. Your outcomes have stayed the same. And I will be looking forward to correcting everyone's exams.